Hi there, I'm a senior in high school, and I wanted to talk about my experience with SkoolMentor's research program. I've always wanted to do a little bit of research on different diseases because I always wanted to find cures and stuff in my future years. And SkoolMentor allowed me to do just that. They gave me an opportunity to come up to mentor under one of the most amazing person I've ever met. Researcher Junita Sayed has taught me so much about what a researcher does outside of their lab. First off, I want to talk about the project that I worked on. What we did was we looked at breast cancer. It's a cancer many people have heard of. It's one of the most common cancers in the world. And because it's so common, it's also one of the forefront cancers that we're working on trying to find the best prognosis for it. And so my job and our project was on trying to find certain biomarkers, certain markers that differentiate breast cancer cells and the tissues around it. And so we focused on specifically miRNA or microRNA targets because they're really common in almost all cells. By looking for the cells that have, or the microRNA that are greater in one cell, in the breast cancer cell versus the normal cell, we can target the breast cancer cells for potential prognosis or a potential treatment even for breast cancer. Now, Dr. Sayed has showed me all the different tools and varieties of stuff that we use in breast cancer in identifying these miRNA and these hub genes that they work with. And we can start off with some of those tools that we use were Cytoscape, David. We even looked at tons and tons of medical journals from PubMed, and really showed me such a variety of stuff that we can learn from. I wanted to say thank you to SkoolMentor and Professor Sayed for giving me this opportunity because I really learned a lot. Not only was I able to experience something that I may or may not wanted to do in the future, which after this experience I was definitely sure I was going to do, but they also showed me lots of different areas that I could grow on. I had many experiences where I made tons and tons of mistakes, and I realized that after this project that double checking and making sure and cross-referencing with a bunch of different sources and a bunch of different people is how researchers get to know that the research is correct. And I've learned that's a key part, and I've started incorporating that into my school and stuff. So I just want to say once again thank you to SkoolMentor and thank you Professor Sayed for giving me this opportunity. So thank you and bye.